is way back there.
Make sure that put her on. Might not be on.
Happy birthday to you. Yo, we had
Happy birthday to
Yo, we had the alarms going off, y'all.
How old
are you? How old are you? Good thing, Yana.
I know how I'm making that face. I know how I'm making that face.
What?
You nigga fool.
You gotta be, hold on. Come on, wait. That's how you like it? That's how you like it? Come here to this hair a little bit. I wish I could zoom all the way up.
I'm in the kitchen. You in the kitchen.
Eating what?
Alcohol's now. Pig feet. What's some pig feet?
What's up, y'all? I feel like my lace is coming up. Hi, guys. What's going on? I look better like this. I'm in the back seat of my ride. You don't want to know why. We on our way down Ocean City, Maryland. It's my son's birthday.
I'm getting way too good. I don't like it. I'm getting way too good.
The bug here?
And you see his hair? This is why I'm sitting in the back. So I can do his
They
hair.
can't see me. I'm black.
So I can do his hair in the back seat. And we got my niece Yon Yon. Yon Yon! I know, I'm annoying. I'm annoying. Y'all ain't never seen my damn niece. So this is our first time on the vlog. What my mom was doing?
She wasn't.
She about to be sipping.
She was about to be sipping.
So y'all make sure
Still
y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and hit those notification bells on so you would not skip a beat, y'all. So we on our way. My mom and them is coming tomorrow, and then my sister and my nephews, they're coming later on tonight. So you already know. No, you already know it's about to happen. My sister come on down. You know it's about to be done up city up in the. We is packing loaded, y'all. Look, that's the shit. They had to put. They had to put stuff on top of that little leverage thing on the top of the trunk, like that pull down.
Yeah, I was about to say.
You want some drink or something?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They had to put stuff on top of my shit. I know my car gonna need a full detail. Give me a ginger ale. A full detail when we finish coming from the beach, because I know it's gonna be sand and hair everywhere and body moisture everywhere. So I know it's gonna need a full detail. But yeah, we're going in there. It's late and it's kind of late. It's like 6:45, y'all. We were supposed to go down there this morning, but my son is so dedicated to football, which I understand. Like, he's dedicated, like, you know, like his heart is 100,000 and 2,000% into it. So I respect it. You know, he wanted to go to practice on his birthday. I mean, what can I say? You know? So, you know, that shows a lot, you know, as a young man and growing up. He's going to carry it away. He's going to be, he's disciplined. So he's like, Mom, you know, I want to go to practice. So therefore, we're going to have to go down to the beach later. I said, that's all good, you know. Because we down there for a couple days, a few days. We down there, so we not going to get down there until probably like 8 o'clock. Which is fine. So, yeah. That's our agenda for this weekend. And, he hasn't been anywhere anyway the whole summer, and you know, football camp, and you know, he had little jobs. He's like, I'm working, I'm getting money. So I said, I ain't mad at you, bro. So we're on our way, and I'll see you when we touch down. Peace. guys. Y'all see it's dark. And we left when it was daylight. We're staying at the Bay Club Ocean City. Bay Club Ocean City. They look like little mini apartments. And then it's the small amusement park over there. We're not far from the boardwalk at all. We're on 33rd Street. And yeah, we're here. They're getting out the stuff. I didn't get to finish his hair.
Stop.
I didn't get to finish his
My
hair.
friends watching videos, right?
So what? I don't care. This is a vlog. My niece is so pretty, y'all. Y'all never see her. They'll never see my Yaya. So we unloading.
Yo, let me go park this car.
Nope, you're not parking this car. Absolutely not. Y'all need to be driving. All right, let me just show y'all a little room tour. So let's start the room tour. Okay, y'all, we went to Walmart and I forgot my camera. But we got some groceries that I gotta put away. He playing? What are you doing? You better stop playing for them sprinklers come on you. And I gotta spray some Lysol because I ain't got time to be playing. I ain't got time to be playing with these damn people, alright? For real. And I forgot my darn camera, but it's all good. Let me get the spraying.
Yo, that's recorded? I was just doing stupid stuff.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Shawnee's so cool, back for another video. Stop it, man. Stop it. He's hating, guys. It's okay. Welcome back to my channel. Shawnee's cooking. What you doing? Shawnee's Cooking Show.com. Today we got some Tito's.
No, we don't. We ain't got shit.
Yeah,
You
what
can
you
have
mean?
our
Alright,
Jimmy, put them in the door.
Gonna make some Tito's burgers.
we'll make some Tito's burgers with a little bit of egg. I'm gonna cut this on your forehead and pull it in the
Alright,
hole.
and then y'all gonna see the real deal come out of me.
Okay.
Dude,
Deuces.
you're right.
What they call?
dude wipes.
He's so stupid. Y'all, I'm about to end this vlog for day one. We put all this stuff away.
Who use toilet paper when you can use dude wipes?
Stop! Crazy. So, yeah, I still gotta finish his hair. And, we gonna still get settled. Gotta put this stuff away. I gotta wash. Because our sofa bed broke. So, we have to wait until tomorrow morning for maintenance to come to replace it to get another one. But in the meantime, I'm gonna wash the sheets and the comforters right now. And just get settled. But yeah, honey, y'all see us tomorrow. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Keep those bells on. We moving on up to 700. I wouldn't be able to do it without you guys. Alright? So, see you tomorrow. Peace. Good morning, guys. Y'all. Let me close the door because this music's playing. Who is it? Y'all, I didn't go to bed until 3 o'clock in the morning. Finishing my son's hair. My son has so much hair. It's about 7:53 this morning right now. And I'm about to cook some breakfast. He has so much hair. So I'm working on like 4 hours of sleep, which is cool because my body will adjust. Let me show you the
You think
view.
that's not effective?
Alright, probably just cheese for now. I'm working like 4 hours of sleep, but that bed is comfortable in there. Let me show you the other view. Oh, shoot. I have to call the office for the sofa because it's broken. And prepare some breakfast. I'm making sausage, home fries, some eggs, some bread and cheese back. And some bacon. I hope they got good knives here. Alright, y'all. Let me get to slicing and dicing. I'll be back.
Persian eyes, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up? Or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. You know I'm party. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn on. I wanna let you. That's the least I'ma do. Ooh, fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I kiss in your eye and chill. Feel it, baby, can you feel it, baby? Can you feel it, baby? Can you feel it, baby? Ooh. kissing you, I want you to feel it. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Can you feel me, baby? Can you feel me, baby? Oh. Feel me, baby. Can you feel me, baby? Feel me, baby. Can you feel me, baby? Oh. Feel me, baby. Can you feel me, baby? 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 Feel me, baby. Just wanna chill with you. I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn you on. I wanna let you. That's the least I'ma do. Ooh, fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel it. Feel it, baby, can you feel me?
Y'all, we made it out. We made it outside. It's about 77 degrees out. It's cloudy. But we gonna make it do what it do. I got my bread cup. They over there. She over there with his bucket ass hat. And we on our way to the beach. You want me to get you a shirt now? Oh yeah, you need some slides. You was. How can you not pack shirts and... He forgot his slides. Well, I forgot my deodorant. My sister and my mom and my nephews, they come in a little bit later. They en route in a little bit. I gotta show you my outfit. Here, Yana, let me show them my outfit. Hold it. Let me show you. Looking at me, Yana? Yeah.
Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I shouldn't. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brian Sugar. See, we been making love constantly, that's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave.
Are you swimming?
Oh no.
What's this?
I don't know. Just try to get it a little bit.
I don't know what the ocean backflurry.
Give him the glory. Give him the glory.
You better give it to him.
Amen, sister.
Better give it to him. That's why you alive here right now.
What he say? If we'll be ashamed of him out here, he'll be ashamed
Came
of
up,
us.
yes, up there.
Amen.
Yes, he will.
Amen.
Yes, he will. It's so nice.
I remember right over
Oh,
there.
your slides, Sean. We need to get you some slides.
Right over there. A bird pooped on my
You
head.
want to go over there and get some slides right fast?
Yeah.
All right, let's get some slides, y'all. We be back.
Hey guys, it's me and Shawnee. She's not recording, and we just went on the boardwalk. Look at all these.
Yo.
I don't know if y'all can hear me because it's kind of windy, but we just went on the boardwalk to get him some slides, and she's way down there. And I don't know why she's not pulling out her camera to record, because she needs to be recording. But can y'all even hear me? It's kind of windy. I don't know if I'm gonna swim today because it's. Oh, somebody calling her phone, guys. I don't know who this is. Sean, you know who this is?
I don't know who that is.
I don't know who that is either. Should I answer it?
No. It'd be weird people.
Yeah, okay. We're not answering them. Now we're on the sand, guys. And the sand not hot because it's cold outside. And it's really, really, really... I don't know who she talking to. Guys, but okay. That's enough. Bye. It's cold. I thought it was cold. You gotta just go in real quick. Johnny, don't lose the ball. Don't lose the ball. It's not bad out here. They out there in the water. Y'all seen that? And we just chilling. I'm sipping my cocktail, baby. My cocktail. It's not bad. I want some Thrasher fries. I can't even see my babies because that damn hill. I can't even see him. Oh, I see Shawnee head over there peeking. I see his head over there peeking. She said, go ahead, Shawnee. I see something burning inside. Burning inside you. Your eyes. I see the is by you. Oh, this time. Yo, we at the Tender Outlet in Ocean City, Maryland. We in the Nike store right now. See what we got. And I ain't gonna be talking because it's music. Because it's your eyes. Excuse me. Oh, this eyes. Oh, these nice. No, he don't like high top. I said these nice. I said they got up in the jizzy. Yeah. Oh well, nice little shoes. Nice little shoes. Come on, Yaya. Come on, Yaya. Yaya, tired. I'm going to Puma. They got their stuff. Nikes. Well, I'm going to Puma. I don't know where the hell they at. Yes, they are coming.
Sheena probably coming late.
No, they coming.
Yeah, they coming late because they spending the night.
Yeah, that's they are. They coming. I'm talking about my sister. I'm going to Puma. I see y'all over the Puma. He's taking a picture for him. Go ahead, take it. He's gonna take a picture. Go stand up there. Stand up there. Stand up there next to your sister. Buckethead probably. They put it like leaning back. Yeah, like. But you ain't got put on. You got like you got paisley on. Hurry up! Oh man, I ain't wasting my damn battery. Look at these sneakers that I got, y'all. I seen something else. Seen something else. What was it? Excuse me. Look at these sneakers that I got. Aren't they cute? I love them. They're cute. Let me get them. Alright, everybody here. Wait. Everybody here. Look at Chris over there.
Waving, the camera wasn't even on.
I know. They here, y'all. They finally made it. Huh? 10 hours later. 10 hours later. I'm like, what the hell is taking them so long? Shayna, come on. Come bring your ass on.
Can we go to the place?
You can walk on that. You can walk
Across
over
the
there.
street?
Hey.
We got drive.
Across the street?
You don't want me to. Come on, everybody here.
So now that I got you, but let me tell you. Come on.
You know I'll be on this doing like this, like doing.
I should be in no water.
I'll do it again. All right, come on, y'all. All right, we going to Higgins, huh? It's a lot of stuff. No, they got crabs. They got what else they got? They got chicken. They got all kinds of stuff. It's a big menu. They got soup. They got salads. They got. It's popular. It's popular. It's popular out here. I mean, you ain't gotta go if you want to stay and chill. All right, we'll see you over Higgins.
Free if you don't mind.
Thank you.
And you need more butter. You said you have Old Bay, ma'am?
Yeah, we have Old Bay. I just want to need some more butter. Yo, we at Higgins. Everybody come on, Mom.
Getting Alaskan though.
That is Alaskan. You want Dungeness.
No, these are snow. Alaskan are the huge ones.
Why why won't you tell her? Let me show them your Alaskan.
They're bigger than Dungeness.
I got some crabs. I just got some blue crabs with the
They the size Alaskan.
Yeah.
The size of me.
corn. Shorty, what you got?
That sauce good, honey? Alfredo.
What I got people with egg.
And what you got?
People with egg.
Dude, what you get?
They didn't give me my straw.
Oh my God.
You got pizza, dude?
Pepsi cream. More
And
butter.
this, thank you. And you got, they got a nice
Really
size.
banging.
Dude, these one is
What is
straw.
that?
That's a lot.
They're really good.
They are good. Alright, yo, let's eat. We're back. Yo, everything, the fire came out. Hold on, wait. Happy birthday to you. Yo, we back.
Happy birthday to
Yo, we had the alarms going off, y'all.
How
Old are you? How old are you? Good thinking, Yana. How old are you?
How old are you, man?
How
old are you?
My dog.
Blow your wish.
You gotta say how old.
Oh, I'm 15. I'm 15.
Blow your
You
wish.
gotta say may God bless you.
May God
May God bless you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Oh, that's it. May God bless you.
Happy birthday!
All right, I'm sorry. We had came back from Higgins and we had to come here and sing happy birthday to my son. Yeah, we did it. Yeah, we did it. That was good. Before the darn fire people came because we had this stuff.
Is that an ice cream cake?
No, it's not. Don't it look like it?
Yeah, it look like it.
Yeah, so y'all, I'm about to end this vlog and I'll see y'all tomorrow. I'm sending my subscribers, I'll see you tomorrow. Y'all want to say anything before they say goodnight?
No, we could. We didn't blow it down, so.
Yeah, we ain't blow it down.
This is how I'm gonna be.
Second day for vacay. Alright, see you tomorrow. Make sure you subscribe. Peace. He's dedicated. What's up, y'all? Good morning.
Everybody gather. We're going to pray. And then we're going to paint the school wall.
Shut up. This is the third day. Look, y'all. They still in there asleep. Look at them. They knocked out. It's the third day. It's early. Well, we woke up. It's not early. It's 9 o'clock. That's not early for me. We woke up at 7. Her ass was. She was up, but
No, I'll be up, but it's just the fact
that bun was up. That bun was up.
But I ain't doing them.
I'm cooking breakfast. My mom and them, they end up staying. So they over across the street to somewhere. Flamingos. What they call Flamingo? And I'm making what I made the first day when y'all seen it. The potatoes, the eggs, the sausages. Let me see what we got in here. We almost done.
It's weird because
So, cause I don't like taking stuff home. I had them crabs. Crabs was good. Sean, babe still got his ribs. And birthday cake. Your light shit on fire. Some coolers. And look, he had to have his Ciroc. I'm drinking Tito's. I mean, not Tito's. I think I'm gonna switch my drink to I got my sea moss. Good Sips. I'll link his information down below. And he ship out. Don't Avery ship out? Do Avery ship out? Okay, I'll link his stuff. Real good stuff. This is black seed. And then I had watermelon for my son. I put him in his eggs. Well, today on our agenda, I don't know what we doing. Oh, we going to the boardwalk. We definitely going to the boardwalk because we ain't been there. So we're going to eat our breakfast. And me and babe said he was going to go to the pool. And I just got a little yoga set on. Not much. I ain't got no bra on. Titties be down to the knees. It's alright. So I'm here to get them done. I want them things done. I want them things done. So, yeah, so that's what we're doing. So, I'll be back. Y'all, we decided to come to the water park. The water park. We going, this is just the, it's called Splash Mountain. This is across the street from where we staying at. She's a disrespectful ass, I swear. She trying to get too cute for the water park and shit. I don't know why. Look at her. So, we're going to the boardwalk later on. It's so convenient because we got the go-karts across the street, the water park. It's a whole arcade in here. Look, y'all. So it's just something for them to do. Because last night they rode the go-karts twice, so we just let them go. They teenagers, they old enough, and we let them go. But like I said, how much is it? How much? Splash Mountain, over 40 cents. Splash Mountain. It's only $50. I already know, because he's over.
Oh, you just buying 2?
I'm going to buy one. Yeah. So even if we don't buy, we can't go in?
So if you enter the park at all, you have to.
Oh, really? Okay. So, what y'all want here? I'm a senior. Sorry. I'm a senior. $22.99. Let us get these situated. Y'all be back. The kid's over, girl. The kid's over there near yonder somewhere. Let me see if I can, I don't even know where the hell they at. Where they at? They probably up. Let me show y'all. I swear, them kids, I don't know where the hell they at. I said I was gonna get in. Maybe I get in this little pool right here. Put my feet in or something. But it got hot out here. I got my bodies up there. Yo, I had left and came back, right? When I said left, I'm gonna get them settled and I was gonna get everything paid for. We left because it was $50 per person, but the guy ain't tell us after 3 o'clock. It was only $29.99. So we went to the beach. I just didn't film. We went to the beach for like an hour and a half and came back and paid $30. Like they don't tell you that part. They be wanting to make you spend all your damn money. And I needed to get my sunscreen on and stuff, all that. Cause I was burnt. I get burnt quick. But after here we going on the boardwalk. So we got about probably like another hour and a half here, and then we're going to the boardwalk. So I'll see y'all when we get there. Down the damn slide. Let me get my nephews. Look at them. Yo, hold on. Come on.
But you're so baby. It's okay, girl. I'ma be alright tonight. You don't have to go. It's okay, girl. 'Cause I'ma be alright tonight.
Rock that, run that, this how we from. Easy now, no need to go down. Easy now, no need to go down. Rock that, run that, this how we from. Easy now, no need to go down. Easy now, no need to go down. Rock that, run that, this how we from.
We made it to the boardwalk. It's a nice night out.
Let's get a scooter. Let's get a scooter.
Oh. Yeah. Get it. It's not packed out. Hey, everybody outside. You get on the roller coaster? Huh? Where your glasses? You know they gonna fall out on the roller coaster. Where's Shayna?
They back there.
What they doing?
I don't know.
Back where? They always doing. Oh, she getting duties a hoodie. Oh, that's spook. Where's you? You just ate. You smell something good in your nostrils and you always want to just go. What is she doing? What are you doing, girl? What? Always. Then you just eat. Yeah. Oh yeah.
How do you do this? We're taking over the vlog because it's not vlogging.
Oh, Yana's vlogging, guys. Yana's vlogging.
Wait. I don't know what to say.
Let's let them see that glove. That glove. You was vlogging that.
We're gonna go. Oh, I got sick
from the beach yesterday, and like my nostrils and my sinuses like really like, so I don't sound normal. I kind of sound like I don't know, it's not my voice though, but it kind of hurt to talk, and I don't know who they're talking to, but hey man, I want some funnel cake. My mom just texted me, guys. Bye.
Arms out, the bars are coming down.
Y'all good? You don't know what you signed up for? Y'all should have did like, you know, when they was going like around, like all the way around. Like some of them was going like all the way around. Yeah. You had the rocket. Yeah, like, you know, like they was going all the way over. You ain't want to get on a roller coaster? No. Shawnee, you on it by yourself, baby, and oh yeah, that's right. I would have got on with you, and I'm drinking, man. I like that roller coaster. Cause me and my son, we ride. We do ride. All right. That's one thing about us and my sister. We ride. I might get the bubble guts on there, and nobody. It's gonna be an unpleasant sight and look and smell. We be at all the amusement parks just ride. When we went to Disney World, we rode all the roller coasters. That damn what is it? That Jurassic Park. That shit was 175 miles per hour. Luckily, my wig was still on. Come on, you wanna get on that? Huh? Oh, all right, go ahead. Then get ready to get on this, y'all. No, that's not the entrance. Demai, you can't get on. Then you're ready to get on this, the backwards, frontwards roller coaster. If you ask me, this kind of corny, but I mean, it's the best ride in the park. So then you're ready to go and get on this ride. It goes up backwards, it stops, then it come down, then it go up again frontwards. Well, go frontwards, come down, then go up. Then it go up this loop right here, go over, and yeah. But like I said, this is the best This is the best ride. Ooh, let me zoom out. This is the best ride. So they get ready to get on it. Then we're gonna go to the other side. They went over there. I'll be back, y'all. Y'all make sure it's secure in there. Make sure it's secure. Both of y'all. That's how you like it. Do it again, I get it. That's how you like it. That's how you like it.
I be liking these fries.
I do too. The mirror says he's scared a little bit. Look at his face. I wish I could zoom all the way up. I could still be scared on rides, but I be liking the thrill of it. Like I be like, oh, I'm scared, but I want to still get on it.
Right.
We go all the way to the top.
It get a little leeway. No, it go all the way. Yeah. There they go. Sean love that shit. Look at Sean. Sean love this shit. Yo, he get it from his mother. He get it from his mother. He love this shit. Yo. Yeah, his ass happy now. Yo, Sean love this shit, man. I'm telling you. He don't get it from his dad. His dad don't ride. His dad be like, oh, I think I'm gonna sit out my stomach. I'm gonna eat a funnel cake. All the food at.
The mirror probably losing his mind.
Where?
Having a blast.
Oh, he's so cute. I'ma buy you a drink.
Y'all know, you see that bitch on TikTok? They got that block. I think it's how you get the, oh, there we go. That means they be doing on TikTok.
I don't know.
Y'all, we in the other tier. Tier 2. It's more rides up here, but it's fast rides. But we just left the roller coaster tier. It's like 2 tiers at Ocean City, Maryland. So you have to pay for each tier. You can pay individually for a ride. Wrong, you are wrong. She facing, look, it's facing this way, not the other way. She on the other side of the camera like, yeah, now. She all hype like, and it's not even facing this way.
You know that dance you see on TikTok?
They get ready to go on a little ride. I just brought him a wristband because I wasn't paying no damn individual rides like I did over there. There's more rides over here. We're going to tire their asses out and they're going to have a good night's sleep. And y'all, this not water. It ain't water. But listen, y'all, I'm about to switch up my liquor because y'all all know I drink Tito's, right? Tito's be making me sleepy as hell. So this is Espanol. Is it called Espanol? Espanol apple tequila. And I've been on go with it. It's like an Energizer bunny. It's like coffee. See, those make me sleep. I don't like this. What happened? What she said? It's not what? Oh, Espanol. Espanol. How you say it in Mexican? Espanol. How you say it in Spanish? Espirito. I don't know shit. Go ahead, Dill. Crazy. Ooh, kill it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Get it. Get it, Dill. Ooh, shit. God damn, I didn't know you can do that. I didn't know you can do that. They on the mini one. Here comes the mini roller coaster. Here they go, y'all. You got to do it. No, Johnny had it. Oh, he ain't gonna let it go. Here they go. You sure? Yeah. Where he at? Oh! Where he go? Where he go? In the front. Ah! Go, Sue! Look at him. He laughing. Look at him. Go ahead, Sue. Yeah. Go ahead, Sue. You like, yeah, I'm a big boy. He said, yeah, I'm a big boy. Why she mad on the ride, y'all? Why she mad?
I know how I'm making that scared.
That's what
I'm going to prepare myself for price. I'm definitely going to. I know how you're making that scared.
What?
You leave your phone, you turn the light on when you're inside of it. You don't want to be scared.
Okay, they doing that little football toss and shit. All right, come on, D. Come on, throw it back. Throw it back. Okay, here you go. Alright, come on. Let's get it. These athletes over here. Look at my dude. Look at my dude. Look, he ready. He ready. He ready.
Hit the bird. Hit the bird. He's sitting there.
Oh, okay. That's how you feel? There you go. Here come the ball. Oh, you ain't get it. You ain't get it. Good morning, guys. Let me make sure I got everything. Y'all, we're leaving. We all packed up, ready to go. Everything. We was up since 6. Let me give y'all a last little glimpse of the view. It was so pretty and peaceful out here. People was fishing over there. Yeah, we've been up since like 6. It's like 8:30 right now. A charger?
Yeah, his fast charger.
Oh shoot. Where you leave it at, Damir?
No, it was over there. Yeah, it was plugged up. Yeah, we gave it to you.
Where was it at? Did anybody pack it up by mistake? And mine's in my mine was plugged up in here. What kind of box? What kind of box is it? The regular fast charger box? Like Yana's, like the. Oh shit! You know how you people you losing them fast chargers, boy? Them fast. Did you check in? Did you check in here? Yo, we was ready to go. Ready to go. Everybody is packed up. Make sure you look under the bed.
Go see. You just standing there. Go ask. Go look in the car or something.
Oh, she snapping. Oh wait a minute. Why that towel is it? This is our towel. This is our brown towel. We came. And conditioner. Don't be trying to leave my conditioner here. Don't be trying to leave my conditioner here. No. Absolutely not. You got the conditioner, this towel. Is it in the car? Somebody probably packed it up by mistake. One of them kids. Mine's in there. Yeah. Ask Sean, because he was...
That's what I told him to ask him.
Yeah. Here it is, Damir. We found it. Behind the microwave. I don't know, but we out. Hug, sister. Y'all, it's been nice. It's been real. Thank y'all for hanging out with me and my family the whole weekend. Johnny's birthday. We was turned up. My niece. He packed them up in the cooler. In the cooler.
Oh, no, it's fine. We can stop.
Shit, I'm thirsty too. All that alcohol, I'm thirsty. Yep, so until we meet again, my friends, make sure y'all stay connected. Subscribe.
Or just shut the door.
Yep, just shut the door. Until we meet again, my friends, I love y'all. Peace, safe, peace out, bye.